Introduction, my name is Faezi from 9A. We will tell story of Maling Kundang. Long time ago, there was a woman lived in a village in Sumatra. She lived with her son, Maling Kundang. Her husband was dead. A dog, she was very poor. She lived happily because she was a religious mother. She always thanked to God for everything she got. But Maling Kundang was satisfied with such life. He wanted to be rich. He didn't want to stay with Louis' mother in poverty all his life. Working in a big city and being a rich man was his ambition. One day, there was a merchant ship dropped anchor at the harbor near his village. The captain of the ship was looking for new recruits for his crew. Maling Kundang heard this. He asked her mother, "Mother, I'm boring to live here. I want to apply to be a crew of the ship." His mother said, "But you must be careful and always remember me." And Maling Kundang became the crew of merchant ship. Many years later, Maling Kundang was very successful at sea. Not only he was now the captain of ship, but also he was the owner of a field of merchant ship as well. He had become a very rich man, but he was very boss himself and very close visit. He never sent his mother a letter of money. He never visited her at well. One day, Maling Kundang traded back from other islands bringing this new, big and very expensive ship. A lot of people gathered in the harbor when I dropped actor. An old man hurried to the home of Maling Kundang's mother and told her. He cried, old mother, your son has returned. He is the captain of a splendid ship has last dropped anchor in the harbor. He is a great man now, arrangement. They say, own ship come old mother, and she come and see. She was very cheerful, knowing that her son come back. Maling Kundang mother could hardly believe the news. She hurriedly came to her son, saying, "Oh, my son, Maling Kundang, I miss you. It's me, your mother." Maling Kundang recognized his mother, but he was a captain and a shop owner, a man of affluence. This was a poor old man, woman wearing a basket of rage. The poorest of fair women, ill-clad and unclean, not fit to be acknowledged, and the mother of Maling Kundang. He refused and said, "What do you want of me, old woman? Besought, I don't know you. You are not my mother. I don't have such a poor mother. Go away, beggar, go away." Maling Kundang's mother was very sad to hear that. She didn't imagine how it could happen. She was very disappointed. Then she lifted her hand with her eyes closed to say, "Oh God, I know he's my son, but why has his turned so wicked? Please don't let his wicked continue to punish him as you wish." Maling Kundang entered the ship, leaving his mother at the harbor. He intended to travel again with the ship, but suddenly the sky was dark and it rained heavily. Heavy storm started to stop the ship. Maling Kundang terrified and cried, "Oh God, I know one a daily sea I have command against my mother. Please forgive me." But I was too late. The time there was forgives. The ship chaplains of the turned into a good rock. Maling Kundang did enjoy his life anymore. The story is over. I am Faezi from 9A. See you soon.